Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best rotary cutter blades is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any crafter's arsenal, especially when dealing with intricate patterns or delicate fabrics where precision is paramount. These small but mighty circular blades are designed to slice through multiple layers of material with unparalleled ease and accuracy, making them indispensable for quilting, sewing, scrapbooking, and various other DIY projects that demand clean, crisp cuts every single time, ensuring your finished creations look professional and polished. Number 5. HEADLEY Tools 28mm Rotary Cutter Blades 10-pack. Experience exceptional durability and a long-lasting sharp edge with our premium blades, crafted from high-quality Japanese steel. They are designed to resist bending and breaking, ensuring a long service life. These blades are designed to fit all 28mm rotary cutter handles, including popular brands like Fiskars and OLFA. You can rely on a perfect fit for your existing tools. Whether you're sewing, quilting, scrapbooking, or working on other arts and crafts, these blades are perfect for the job. They can effortlessly cut through multiple layers of various materials. Cut through up to 8 to 16 millimeters of materials like fabric, vinyl, leather, and felt in a single pass. These blades make intricate cutting tasks simple and efficient. Easily measure as you cut with clearly visible length markings on the surface. This feature helps you achieve precise results without needing extra tools. Each package contains 10 blades, protected by oil and stored in a convenient plastic box. We ensure you receive a quality product ready for immediate use. What we like. These blades are made from high-quality Japanese steel, ensuring they are sharp and durable. They also feature visible length markings for convenience. If you are looking for blades that offer precise measurements while you cut, you should consider these. What people say. Sharper, longer lasting, and well priced. Good quality, nice and sharp, for a very economical price. Blades are well protected against rust or corrosion. They are well oiled, therefore they are very slippery. It cuts very well, make easy clean cuts, effortlessly. Number 4. SOMOLUX 28mm Rotary Cutter Blades, 10-pack. These replacement blades are designed to fit all kinds of 28mm rotary cutters. Enjoy a perfect fit for your existing tools. Whether you're quilting, sewing, or working on arts and crafts, these blades are your ideal cutting companion. They effortlessly handle fabric, felt, vinyl, and even cardboard. Crafted from premium Japanese steel, these blades undergo multiple sharpening stages for superior, long-lasting sharpness. They can cleanly slice through up to 10 layers of fabric at once. Enhanced with tungsten alloy for added strength and wear resistance, these blades are built to last. They come lubricated to ensure they remain in perfect condition until you need them. We are confident you'll love these blades. If they don't exceed your expectations, simply return them for a no-questions-asked refund. What we like. Crafted from premium Japanese steel with 4 sharpening stages, these blades offer exceptional sharpness and longevity. The addition of tungsten alloy enhances their strength and wear resistance. If you need blades that stay sharp longer and can handle tough materials, these are a great choice. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut through fabric smoothly. These blades fit perfectly on my rotary cutter and are easy to change. The pack comes with multiple blades, so I have spares for a long time. Number 3. AUTOTOOLHOME 28mm Titanium Rotary Cutter Blades. Experience exceptional sharpness and durability. Our blades are crafted with high-quality SKS 7 steel and a premium titanium coating for long-lasting performance. Achieve accurate and smooth cuts every time. These blades are perfect for fabric, paper, leather, vinyl, and all your quilting, scrapbooking, and sewing projects. Designed to fit most standard 28mm rotary cutters. Replacing the blade is quick, simple, and hassle-free. Enjoy clean lines and professional results. The ultra-sharp edge minimizes fraying and skipping for perfect cuts. This value pack includes 10 replacement blades. You'll always have a fresh blade ready for your continuous crafting and sewing needs. What we like. Featuring a premium titanium coating over SKS 7 steel, these blades provide superior sharpness and durability. They are designed for accurate, smooth cuts, reducing fraying. If you prioritize a clean, professional finish and long-lasting performance, these blades are ideal for your crafting needs. What people say. The blades are sharp, sturdy, and easy to use. They perfectly fit my off-brand rotary cutter. The storage case seals well and keeps the blades fresh until needed. They are extremely sharp, so be careful when taking them out of the package and placing them in your rotary cutter. They hold that consistency for a long time. As a quilter, I go through a lot of rotary blades. These blades go the long haul. Number 2. OLFA 28mm Rotary Cutter Replacement Blades. Experience unparalleled sharpness and superior edge retention with these 28mm blades. Crafted from high-quality tungsten tool steel, they allow you to work longer without interruption. Each refill pack contains 10 ultra-sharp 28mm rotary replacement blades. They are also available in packs of 2 or 5. These replacement blades are compatible with most 28mm rotary cutters. For optimal performance, we recommend using them with an OLFA 28mm rotary cutter. Achieve detailed and precise cuts on fabric, paper, leather, and more. They are perfect for small-scale projects, miniatures, and tight corners, ideal for quilting, sewing, and crafts. As the inventor of the rotary cutter, OLFA has set a standard for cutting excellence since 1979. Pair our rotary cutters, blades, and cutting mats for the best results. What we like. Made from high-quality tungsten tool steel, these blades offer unparalleled sharpness and superior edge retention. As the inventors of the rotary cutter, OLFA ensures top-tier quality and durability. If you value precision for intricate projects and trust a brand with a long history of cutting excellence, these are the blades for you. What people say. These blades are sharp, easy to refill, and reliable. They fit my blade cutter and the quality of the blades are top-notch. It cuts so well. Number 1. Kingsource 28mm SKS 7 Steel Rotary Cutter Blades, 10-pack. Experience unparalleled sharpness and durability with our premium SKS 7 Japanese steel blades. They are designed to deliver clean, precise cuts every single time. These blades are universally compatible, fitting most 28mm rotary cutters from top brands. Enjoy seamless integration with your favorite crafting tools. Perfect for a wide range of materials including fabric, leather, and paper. They are ideal for all your quilting, sewing, and DIY projects. Get excellent value with this 10-pack of high-quality blades. They come in a protective, resealable case to keep them sharp and safe. Engineered for wear resistance and longevity, they provide consistent performance. They are suitable for both right and left-handed users. What we like. These blades are enhanced with SKS 7 Japanese steel and a titanium coating for exceptional sharpness and durability. They are engineered for wear resistance, ensuring consistent performance. If you need versatile blades that fit most rotary cutters and offer both precision and longevity for various crafting projects, these are an excellent value. What people say. She claims that they fit her OLFA rotary cutter perfectly and they cut 1000% better than her old cutting blade. Very sharp and a good replacement for my cutter. Blades are good quality and work as advertised. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.